2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015, 2014. Let's go 2014.
As the story goes, there was a huge python that ate all the livestock in Tai Hang Village just before Mid-Autumn Festival. The python was finally killed by the villagers. However, a plague then followed, taking the lives of many villagers. The villagers believed the plague was revenge from the python, which was actually the son of the Dragon King. A village elder claimed that a god revealed to him in a dream that there was a way to end the plague by performing a fire dragon dance and letting off firecrackers around the Tai Hang Village. The villagers did so, and miraculously the plague disappeared. Hence, they kept performing the fire dragon dance every year afterwards.
Let's go LED Dragon.